Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be opening a black and white Plasma Blast theme deck box. As you can see here, if my camera will focus properly, it's from 2013. This is one of my older sealed packs. I did put a comment out to one of my followers, Ryan Chan, and I've left it up to him whether I open this or not, and he has chosen to open it. I would have done the same thing. I've had this box for probably about 5 or 6 years, and I'd rather open it than have it sealed. Let's get straight into it. We have our coin. I have no idea what that is. Anyone leave a comment what it is. We've got a Volcarona Holo. Cracked ice. Pretty nice card. It's not any white in that I can see, probably a little bit. Okay, we're going to sleeve that one straight away. The one main card that I want out of this is the Blastoise. I'm pretty sure it's a non-holo. There's a code card there. I don't think I've actually got any code cards that look like this. It's pretty cool. Okay, what else do we have here? We have a checklist. 101 cards in this set. It's a pretty small set. Some artwork there. That's pretty cool. We have our damage coins, counters, whatever you call them. What we got here? We've got a playmat. I'll probably wreck this by opening it up, but it shows you how to play the game, as they all do, I'm pretty sure. So, pretty cool artwork. Might actually frame that one up. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't rip it. Now here's our deck box. My phone will focus. Solar Strike theme deck. Let's get straight into this. It looks like we've got some better stuff at the back. Okay, so we got some water energies. For days, we've got Pokemon Capture. You can see down the bottom, 2013. Energy Search, we've got a Volcarona non-holo. Actually don't mind those cards. What have we got here? We've got a Lapras. We have a Squirtle. Teddiursa. And there's our Blastoise. Pretty nice looking card. Number 16 of 101. I'm not sure if they make them in holo, but it'd be pretty cool to have it. And there's a Suicune, non-holo. My phone will focus. Alright. It's already worth opening up this deck box. Trigger, we've got Octillery. Ring. I'm not even going to pronounce half of these cards because I'll most likely get it wrong. There's our Wartortle. I could possibly frame these up. The Blastoise, Wartortle and Squirtle. I reckon that'll look pretty good. We have Energy Retrieval. The Energy Search, another Squirtle. Okay, another Ursaring. Oh, that's a rare. I might sleeve that one up a bit later. Got a Ducklet, fire energy. I didn't expect to see fire energy in here. Reversal trigger, another Lapras, another artillery. There we go. Another fire energy, a Cherin, another Squirtle, and an Ultra Ball. Now, let's have a look at the condition of these cards. I might actually send these off when I do get my cards PSA graded. I'm planning on sending off 100 cards. I've put a couple of shorts up, pretty much letting you decide what I send off. I don't want to send off my best cards because I've never done it before. So it'll be a trial run, and I thought, why not? I'll do 100 cards. Why not do 10 cards? Why not overdo it? I might send this Blastoise off. Probably not the best condition, but I like it. Thanks everybody for watching. I do have a couple more deck boxes that I may open up in the future. So let me know what you think, and yeah, thanks everybody for watching.